What's up guys, it's Diggia. We are here in race service. We are going to have some fun with James, with some Ducatis down the streets, and we will go to meet Dr. Wu, and we'll prepare a special helmet for the weekend. So let's go together and have some fun.
You give them the good plan, Gabe? What are we doing out there?
We're about to go do some rollers around Hollywood.
Fabio Di Giannantonio.
Fabio Di Giannantonio.
There you go. Looks like you've been to Italy a couple of times.
This guy is one of the fastest guys in the world, and I'm about to ride Ducatis with him.
We try, for sure we try.
It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I actually learned to ride on a 749, so like the little baby of this one.
These are monster, eh? These two. Honestly, this is like my dream bike ever, and these are monster too. So I think we will have some fun down the streets.
Have you ever owned one?
My father has the baby of this one, 748, and is like our little jewel of the house, you know. I always wanted to have one of just for me, you know. So it will be on the bucket list to do things.
We'll pretend this one's yours.
Yeah, just pose like that. Yeah, that looks sick. Yup, yeah, just keep doing that. Yup, that's perfect. Dang.
You guys, let's just try to stay tight. The more spread out and the more distant will make it look less compressed. Okay. So if you want to crack some wheelies, have some fun, you do you.
Okay.
We don't take it too seriously.
Cool.
This is just a good time.
Not too much trouble.
It's so good, mate.
You were on one wheel a lot more than I was. I was on two the whole time.
Next time we'll teach you. You have to learn, mate. You have to wheel in this beautiful place.
You do.
We are in one of the coolest spots ever, honestly. Dr. Wu studio. So clean, amazing, good looking in every piece of it. And for sure we are here with my white helmet. We're gonna do a special design on my helmet. Dr. Wu is one of my favorite artists, so I'm really blessed and grateful for him for his time.
So I think we're gonna try to mock up some designs here. Just get some ideas going.
I love Dr. Wu's style. It's so clean and tiny, and all these also elements that he adds to every sketch. I think it's a really particular representative style. Am I wrong, mate?
No, you're absolutely correct. Thank you.
And I like how one element can become like a little abstract, and I really like it. That's an art piece, and that's definitely an artwork by the master, you know?
Just a quick sketch. It's
For me, it's an artwork.
final product is gonna be sick.
First of all, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you for
my
your time,
pleasure.
for making this together. That's the first sketch.
Yeah, we're gonna add on to this. This is just kind of an idea to sketch out spacing and what kind of elements we want to add later, but just a fun little intro to the helmet. And
Yeah, honestly, can't wait to wear it and to see on track. So
Yes.
thank you, really.
Thank you, brother.
I realized one of my dreams on my bucket list, meet Dr. Bo, one of my favorite artists. Yeah, look this fine art that he just did in how much time? 10 minutes? We had a killer day. It was so cool.